They sure as hell twisted this one.
That sure is twisted, man.
That's twisted.
I
like.
What?
And hi, it's Jim from Pigans with my beloved brother Andy.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, hey,
Hey.
hey. What are we doing today?
We are doing a collectible. Game collectible.
Yeah.
Never heard of this game.
Never heard of it?
Nope.
Well, it's Lord of the Rings franchise. War in the North for Xbox 360. It's the collector's edition. Here's the front of it. It's like a toyish box. This one, yeah, with a display window,
just like the Monsters Inc.
Yeah.
Monsters University.
Ah,
oh.
There you go.
Steel books.
Oh, add-ons.
Oh. There's a cool little symbol there on the
Really?
on the box.
Quite cool. And there's an art book too.
Oh, reading material.
Reading material
For when you take a poop. Poopy.
Is it good? Is it any good? Oh, it's pictures.
Oh, that's good.
Pictures. Oh, that's a cool one. And this is a really cool one. You wanna look?
Yeah.
I wanna look at this.
I wonder what it says around here.
It's
It's Elvish. But what does it say?
And yeah, let's untwist. Is that a word? Untwist.
Untwist, yeah. Untwist the twisties.
Well, what are add-ons too?
Yeah.
Don't show the codes.
No. You get a ranger avatar and you get a sword. An orc champion sword. Yeah.
Oh, it's in game.
Yeah. Is it a single player game or something?
Oh, it's a multiplayer game.
Multiplayer only, okay.
I don't know if it's only multiplayer,
Okay.
to be honest. They sure as hell twisted this one.
That sure is twisted, man.
That's twisted.
Yeah.
My god. Here it is. It's not a big piece, but what the hell?
It's awesome.
I think it's cool.
Yeah, it's like detail, man.
Yeah.
I like the dwarf he's holding in his hand.
The face, I like the face. It's quite ravishing.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going to get you. Troll, what is it called? Hammer?
Yeah.
I don't know, hammer. We're going for hammer.
Hammer. It's hammer time.
Yeah.
I like the sign.
The base?
Yeah.
So,
there's a snow.
there's a snow, yeah, on the base.
Yeah.
It's a nice collectible for a game.
Yeah.
For real. Very sturdy piece. It's a good collectible,
Yeah.
for a nice price. You get the steel case with the game. Steel case is always nice. And what else?
You get an art book. Some pretty cool art, actually, if you're into the art of Lord of the Rings. And then you get a DLC.
Downloadable content
Yeah.
in the game. And for your avatar, if you're going Xbox 360. And then, of course, a nice, cool game collectible figure.
To put on your shelf, computer desk, whatever.
Yeah, when you're bored with the loading screens, you can watch the figure.
Or not.
Yeah.
Pick your belly button or something, I don't know.
No. Going too deep.
How do you do that?
No.
Oh, there's some lint there.
There's a fucking blanket in there. Until next time. Hi and goodbye.